Hey guys, Shaddy with Revenant Motors, and today we're checking out an amazing 1970 Charger RTSE. I will honestly say that me and this car have a history. I remember seeing this car years ago at a local car show and was absolutely floored by it. This has been a dream car in the making for me for over 20 years. Now this is a factory triple black RTSE with really nice options. Air conditioning, power windows. It's got an 8-track player in it, 6-way seat, leather interior, power steering, power disc brakes, tinted windows, 355 sure grip. It's just loaded. This is like the top, this is a top dog in 1970 right here. And as you can see, it's a real showpiece. The car is absolutely gorgeous. It's never been cut, never been rusty. This belongs to a good friend of mine. This is in his personal collection. I believe he bought the car out of Texas in 2001. And again, you're not gonna find any chunks of Bondo in this car. You're not gonna find any riveted pans, none of that. This is a real survivor with the repaint. As we get closer here, you can see that this is, again, it's a driver, but I would say it's a very, very beautiful driver. By no means is it perfect, but I would not do anything to it. We'll get to the interior here in a sec. I just want to, again, show you the body, how pretty the body is on this car. And those are correct trim rings. For those of you who don't know, those are probably worth like $2,000, $2,500 for the set of trim rings on this car. From what I understand, looking at the paperwork, I know Galen Govier did put his eyes on this, but it's one of 14 RTSEs that came optioned like this. Super low production. Only 2% of 1970 Chargers were factory black. And I was told by the owner that this car was originally going to be ordered with the 426 Hemi, but he couldn't get air conditioning with it. So he got the 440 with the AC instead. And I gotta tell you, it's really crazy how loaded this car is. I can't stress it enough. Now, if we crawl up under the car, you can see it's completely original. You can see the little tabs on the quarters right there. Again, never rusty, never. And I've had it on my hoist, I've looked at it. There's no surprises on it. Just a solid, clean Charger. It is matching numbers, broadcast sheet, fender tag. It's got all the goodies. See power, look at that, power windows. Got the wood grain. See, this emblem is broken a little bit. Factory tack. Again, super rare seatbelt light. Got the 8-track player. I mean, look at how nice the AC vents are. Even the console's just beautiful. And you can hear the buzzer going. I know a lot of guys like to rip those out. The inside is just as nice as the outside. Let me show you how nice the power windows work, you guys. They work on a dime. Super nice. Even back here. The seats are in excellent condition. Again, got 6-way seats. Check that out. Factory 6-way seats. And you've got also cruise control, and that works Super nice option. Back seats in excellent condition. Like I said, there's no fooling anybody on this car. Please feel free to come inspect it just so you can see with your own eyes what a beautiful Charger this is and how well she's been kept. Doors also shut, really nice. She has XS, RT. And as we get under the hood here, let's take a look under here and see what we got. A lot of correct stuff going on here. Mopar red top. And you got the factory AC, dual snorkel air cleaner. Check out this tag. Look how loaded that tag is. Chrysler couldn't even fit another option on there. Everything is so well kept and neat under here. It's not all hacked up. You don't see wires going everywhere, spliced everywhere. She doesn't smoke. You want one for the collection that nobody's got? Here it is. Find another one like this. And we'll go ahead and get her fired up so you guys can hear it. Motor runs real nice and smooth. Can't stop looking at it. Again, if I didn't have a Charger in my collection that I currently am in love with, this car would have never hit the market, you guys, because I would have owned it. Whoever buys this, I'm going to be very jealous of you, because you are getting something really special here. Again, I've had a lot of Chargers. Like that factory 440. AC does blow cold. That'll work at tack. As far as I know, the gauges are all working as well. Don't think the A-track is working, but that's an extremely valuable piece right there. Like I said, AC does work. Blowing cold already. So just taking her down the back road back here, I cannot stress enough how nice this car drives. I feel like I'm driving a Cadillac with a Charger body. You can see the speedo's working, tack's working. Looks like all these gauges are working as well. Car just goes down the road super smooth. If I floor it, kick down works. Just an absolute pleasure to drive this car. I've driven a lot of Chargers. I've lost count. This literally is probably the best one. And I'm not just saying that. This is the best one I've ever gone down the road in terms of how smooth it is, how quiet it is, comfortable, especially with the 6-way seats. And to have one that's turnkey, that's this sorted out, it's really nice. You can see again, it just kicks right down. awesome ride. If you guys are interested, give me a call, 248-212-2724. And you will not be disappointed. What a rare Charger. Arguably the coolest color combo you could get. And again, this has got it all. It's got the original body panels, it's got numbers matching motor, it's got a broadcast sheet, it's got a fender tag.